At ProMed Molded Products, our silicone production team has the capability of doing assemblies, overmolds of insert projects, welding. We're a certified Class 7 clean room. We have about 10 clean rooms here at ProMed Molded Products. Our facility here is 65,000 square feet. Our facility in Puerto Rico is 24,000 square feet. And our facility in Maple Grove is another 25,000 square feet. The two clean rooms in Maple Grove are clean rooms that are designated for ProMed Pharma. So the new expansion, the new clean room expansion that we had built within the last 3 months will be for low volume production parts, validated low volume, more of the intro to production. ProMed Prototypes allows our customers to test their parts, turn iterations to fix their design. It allows them to use the prototype tooling with their correct material instead of like a 3D printed material. They're able to use their materials that they're looking for, medical grade materials that they're looking for. Some customers use them for bio studies and making sure that, again, form, fit, function, it's working properly before they invest in the tooling of a production tool.